Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Fahad. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful interactive landing page portion by using Elementor Page Builder. First, I will show you how to design this whole layout, like this heading, the details, this big image, the button, and all these thumbnail images. Then I will show you how to make it 100% responsive for mobile device and tablet devices. Lastly, I will show you how to make it interactive. Like here on the right side, if I click on this second thumbnail, the white bike, let's click there. You see everything has been changed, the title, the details, the big bike image, the button link, the background, everything. Similarly like this, if I click on this green button thumbnail, you see everything is changing. And if you have a close look, when I'm clicking on these thumbnails, all the elements are coming with beautiful animation. I will also show you step by step how to do these animations. So without further ado, let's now go inside Elementor Page Builder. So right now we are inside Elementor Page Builder. By the way, in this tutorial we will be using Elementor's Flex container. So make sure from your WordPress dashboard, from here hover over on Elementor, from there go to settings. Now go under experiments tab, and here let's scroll down. Here we see it says Flexbox container. Make sure you have make it active, and then scroll down and click on save changes. Alright, now let's go back inside Elementor here. To take a new container, let's click on this plus icon, and here I wanna take this structure. Here you see we have got three containers. This one is the left, this one is the middle, and this one is the right container. Okay, so first of all, let's select this main container. I wanna set its height in VH, and I'm making it 100 VH. Then give it a background image. So go under style tab. From here, let's select the background type, and here I'm uploading an image. By the way, I will provide you all the images I'm using in this tutorial. I will put the images download link in the description. So here for the background, I'm selecting this black image. Now click on insert media. And here let's set the position to center, attachment to scroll, repeat to no repeat, and size I'm making it to cover. By the way, this background image is temporary. Later I will show you how to place your background images from different places. Okay, so I wanna start from this middle container. So let's select this middle container. And here the very first thing I wanna do, I wanna make its justify content to centered. So all the inner elements within this middle container will be vertically centered. Okay, now within this middle container, let's click on this plus icon. Here I'm dragging a container first, and then I'm just duplicating this inner container couple more times like this. And here this layout is very important. Make sure this one is our parent container here. This is basically the middle container, and within this container I have taken three child containers. Here within the first child container I will be putting the heading here. Within the second child container I will be putting the image. Then within the third child container I will be putting button. Alright, so start with the first one. Click on this plus icon. Here I'm dragging a heading widget. Now here I wanna put my first bike name. I'm making the alignment to centered, and let's do some styling from here. So first I'm making the text color to white color. Then from the typography, I'm making the font family to Rancho. It says Rancho. It has kinda sporty vibe, you know. So I'm selecting Rancho. Here I'm making the font size to 60 pixel. Alright, and I also wanna add some entrance animation with it. So go under advanced tab. From here, let's scroll down. I'm opening the motion effects. Now for the heading, I just wanna set slide in down, this one. Alright, so far so good. Now within this second container, I wanna insert an image. So click on this plus icon. First I'm dragging this image widget within this middle child container here. Let's now select the image. I'm selecting this black bike image. Click on insert media. Now I'm keeping the alignment to centered. Go under style tab because I just wanna make its width to 100%. Then go under advanced tab because I wanna adjust its positioning. Just unlink the margin. At the top I'm adding 30 pixel of margin. At the bottom I'm adding 20. And then I also wanna add some entrance animation with this image. So scroll down. From here open the motion effects. Let's set the entrance animation to fade in. Here I'm making the duration too slow. Also I'm adding 500 ms of delay. Alright, now within this third container, within this third child container, click on this plus icon, and here I'm dragging the button widget here. First I'm making its alignment to centered. Also let's change the text. I want it to say view more. So you can link this button with any other page where you have more information about this bike. And here I just wanna change the button color, so go under style tab. From here let's change it to #F52425. It's kinda reddish color, you know. Alright, now I wanna work with this right container, and within this right container I will be putting all the thumbnails. So here click on this plus icon, and I'm dragging this container here. And similar like the middle container, let's first select the right container, and from its items I'm making the justify content to centered, so it's now vertically centered. Okay, so I'm selecting this child container. First I'm making the content width to full width, and then the width, first I'm making it in pixel. Let's make it 120 pixel, and here minimum height I'm making it 60 pixel. Now I wanna give it a background color, so go under style tab. From here open the background type. Let's click on this color picker. I'm making the background color to white, and I'm making it a bit transparent like this. Then I wanna add some border with it, so from here open the border. First border type would be solid, and border width 1 pixel. Then the border color I'm also making it white, and let's make it a bit transparent like this. And then I'm adding 8 pixel of border radius, so if I now minimize it, you see it's looking like it. Alright, now I just wanna insert an image within it. So click on this plus icon, and here I'm dragging the image widget inside here. So it would be the thumbnail for the first image, that's basically the black bike. So select the image. I'm selecting the black bike, insert it. And now I just wanna duplicate this container, the child container. So duplicate it one time and duplicate it one more time. And the second thumbnail, I wanna replace this image with the white bike. This one, let's insert it. And for the third one, I wanna insert the green bike. That's this one. Select insert media. And I just wanna align these 3 items to the right side. So select their parent, this container. From here, I'm making the align items to end like this. Alright, now put some content within this left container. Select the left container, and similar like other containers, first I'm making the justify content to centered, so all their inner elements will be vertically centered. Then within this left container, click on this plus icon. Here I'm dragging a container here, and let's duplicate this container one more time. And here I will be working within the second container within this container, and the first container I have taken, it will be empty temporarily. Basically I will be using this empty container later to create some beautiful animation. You can see that very shortly. For the moment, just keep this container empty and start working with this container. So within this second child container, click on this plus icon. Here I wanna take another container inside, so drag this container within this child container here. And within this grand child container, I wanna add some element, some features about this bike. So click on this plus icon, and here I'm dragging the heading widget. Maybe you can write here the frame type of the bike. I know you cannot see it, so first let's go under style tab, and I'm making the text color to white color. Alright, now go under content tab, because here I'm making the HTML tag to H5, so it's now smaller. Then I just wanna duplicate this heading widget from here, and let's change its text from here, and I'm making the HTML tag H6 for this second container. Oops, for this second heading. And I also wanna change its color, so go under style tab. From here, instead of white, I just wanna make it #797979. It's kinda gray color. And you see the space between these two headings is huge, so I just wanna reduce the gap. To do it, select its immediate parent, this one, this container, and from here, gap between elements, I'm making it just 5 pixel. Alright, now I just wanna duplicate this heading. Also, let's duplicate this heading, and I just wanna put it after here in this place. And here I just wanna replace this text with other text like this. Also, I'm changing this text from this place. And here in between these two groups, I wanna add some space. So here I'm selecting this heading, go under its advanced tab, unlink the margin, and here at the top I'm just adding 15 pixel of margin. Alright, so similar like this, I'm adding 2 more headings. You know, it's the same steps, so I'm just fast forwarding the video. Alright, so here we are almost done with the layout. If I just minimize the bar from left, here we can see the real view. It's already looking great. And you know, the next step, I want to show you the interaction, like whenever I will click on this white bike thumbnail, then all this content will be changed. The title, the description, the bike image, the button link, everything will be changed. But before doing the interaction part, I want to make sure how it's looking on tablet and mobile devices. So let's open the bar from left and here click on the responsive mode. First, I want to check how it's looking on tablet device. So from top, I'm clicking on tablet. On the tablet device, it's already looking great. So we just need to make it responsive for mobile devices. So from top, I'm clicking on mobile. And here, the first thing I want to do, I just want to reorder the containers, because here, this container, the middle container, I want to take it to the first. So here I'm selecting the middle container, go to its advanced tab. Here you see a little mobile icon. So I'm changing the order only for mobile device. So let's make it to start. Now the middle container is becoming the first container on mobile device. And right after that, I want this container. So let's select this container, go under advanced tab, and here again, I'm making its order to start. So now if I just minimize the bar, you can see it properly. First, we can see the bike title, the bike image, then here's the thumbnails. I will make them responsive. And right after that, here's the description of the bike. It makes clear sense. Alright, let's just open it and make it look good. First, select the title, go under its style tab. Only on the mobile device, let's open the typography. I'm making the heading size to 35 pixel. Then select the image. I want to remove all the spacing from here, so I'm making the margin to 0 pixel. Then underneath, I want to select the container that wraps all these thumbnails. So here I'm selecting this container, and on the mobile device, go under layout. I'm making its direction to row. Now let's select its child containers. So here the first child, select it, go under its layout. Here on the mobile device, I wanna make its width in percentage, and I'm making it 25%. Also, I'm making its height to 40 pixel. So let's do the same with other thumbnail containers. Select the container, make the width to 25% and height to 40 pixel. Do the same with this one, make the width to 25% and height to 40 pixel. So if we now minimize the bar and have a look, it looks much better right now. So it's now looking great on mobile device, also on the tablet device, and on the desktop it's already looking great. So let's close the responsive bar from top. Now I wanna show you the interaction part. Like here, if anyone clicks on this black thumbnail, then this content will be shown. And then if anyone clicks on this white bike thumbnail image, then here this bike will become the white bike. The heading will be changed. The bike details will be changed from left side. Also, the button link will be changed. And the same rule for this green bike. So here, as we have 3 controls or 3 thumbnails here, that's why we need to create 3 items of this heading, 3 images, 3 details, and 3 buttons. Let me just show you, it's very easy. Like here, this is our heading. So first I just wanna duplicate it, and let's duplicate it one more time. So here, this first heading is for this black bike, this second heading is for this white bike, and this third heading for this green bike. So here, let's replace this second heading. That would be the name of the white bike, our second bike. And the third one, it would be the bike name of the green bike. And same rule for the images, for the buttons, for the details. And you remember, you see at the beginning, I have taken a parent container for this heading. Actually, this is the reason I have taken this parent container. we could easily take the heading, then the image, then the button without taking their parent containers. So that was my purpose, to take the parent container for each of these elements. Now next, within this container, I just want to duplicate this image 2 more times. So let's duplicate it 1 time and let's duplicate it 1 more time. And you already guessed it, the first one is the black image, that's for this thumbnail. Then the second image, I just want to replace it with the white bike image. This one, let's insert it. And the third one, let's select it. You already guessed it. This is for this green bike. Select it and insert it. Now same thing for these buttons. Just duplicate this button within its parent container. Also let's duplicate it 1 more time. So for the individual bikes, you can put different links within the buttons. And here within this left container, make sure you are not duplicating this outer container. We have taken another container inside. Duplicate that container. So here I'm duplicating it 1 time and let's duplicate it 1 more time. So here this first group is for the first thumbnail. Then the second group for this white bike and the third group for this green bike. Next, I wanna add some class name. So let's start from top. You see, we have got 3 headings here and its parent is this container. So select it, go under its advanced tab. And here I wanna add the class name and that would be details area. So here I'm typing details-area. Remember, you need to type exactly this class name, otherwise it won't work. So from here, I'm just copying this class name. Now let's select this images parent container, that's this container. Go under advanced tab, here is the class name option. So I'm adding the same class name, that's details-area. So same with the buttons parent container, this one. Go under its advanced tab and here I'm adding the class name details-area. Also same for the left details. So make sure you are not selecting this group container. You need to select their parent container, this one. Go under its advanced tab and here I'm adding the same class name, that's details-area. And now let's go to the right container, this one. Here we need to add a different class name. So I'm selecting the right container. Go under its advanced tab and within the CSS classes, I'm adding the class name, that's control-area. Because within the right container, we have all the controls here. I mean, all the thumbnails are within this container. That's why I'm naming this class name to control-area. And this formula will work with everything. Like here, you not necessarily need to put the heading widget all the time. Instead of heading, you can use 3 paragraphs or any other elements. Just make sure with their parent container, you have added the details-area, this class name. Alright, next I will be adding some JavaScript snippet here. But no worries, because I already have written the JavaScript snippet for you. So to add the JavaScript snippet, let's click on this Rubik's Cube icon and here I'm searching for HTML widget. And we can put this HTML widget anywhere of our website. So here I'm just dragging this HTML widget underneath here. And within this HTML input field, I will be pasting the JavaScript snippet. And to get the JavaScript snippet, you just need to go to jimfahaddigital.com. I will put this page's link in the description. And from that page, if you scroll down a bit, it says JavaScript snippet. Let's just copy this snippet from this place. Let's copy it. Go inside Elementor and paste the JavaScript snippet here. Actually, it's a pretty straightforward and easy JavaScript snippet. So basically, this snippet will make the interaction, like whenever we will click on this thumbnail, the first title, the first image, first details group, and the first button link will be shown. Alright, now I just wanna add some CSS snippet. So to add the CSS snippet, I'm selecting the main container, click on the 6 dots. Go under its advanced tab, let's scroll down and open the custom CSS field. By the way, custom CSS is only available on Elementor Pro. If you don't have Elementor Pro already, I will put my Elementor Pro affiliate link in the description. If you purchase Elementor Pro through my affiliate link, you don't have to pay any extra, but I will get a little credit for that. That will help me to continue this YouTube channel and make more interesting tutorials like this. So here, to get the CSS snippet, go inside jimfahaddigital.com. Now let's scroll down. Here you see it says dynamic CSS. So here I'm just copying this CSS snippet from here, go inside Elementor, and I'm pasting the CSS snippet inside here. And you cannot see any change here. If you wanna see the real view, you need to open it from the real browser, not inside the Elementor page builder. So to preview it, just click on this green update button to save our work. Then click on this eyeball icon to preview our page. Here we go. So initially we can see the black bike, its title and description. If we now click on this white bike, you see everything is changing. And if I click on this green button, green bike, you see this big image, its title and the description has been changed. Also have a look. If I click on this white bike, it's becoming the active. See, its background color is becoming white. It gives the users a better experience. Now the very last thing I wanna show you, that's how to change the background color with these thumbnails. Whenever we will click on this thumbnail, the background image will be changed accordingly. To do it, let's go back inside Elementor page builder here, and now have a look here. As we have added some custom CSS snippet in this place, that's why if you have a look, we cannot see the handles with the widgets. Like here you see there is no handlebars with each of it. So temporarily I just wanna comment out this CSS snippet. Only for the moment I'm just commenting out. If you want, you can also remove this CSS snippet temporarily. So I'm just commenting out by pressing command and / together. Now have a look. We can see the editing handles here with each of the elements like this. Okay, so like I said, now I wanna show you how to create the background image changing option. So here within this left container, you may remember we have taken an empty container here. So this is basically for background image changing option. Now within this empty container, click on this plus icon. Here I just wanna take 3 images, and these 3 images will be our 3 background images. So here I'm dragging image widget inside here. Let's now duplicate this image. So here we have got 3 images. The first image will become the background image for the first bike. The second image will become the background for this white bike, and the third background image for the third bike. So let's select the first image, and I wanna place here the black background image, insert it. For the second one, I wanna insert the whitish background image, this one, insert it. And for the third one, let's select the image. I'm selecting this greenish background, insert it. Now we just need to add some class with this image's parent with this container. Go to its advanced tab, and within the CSS classes, first I'm adding the details area class name. So here I'm typing details-area, and also we need to add another class name here. So if you wanna add multiple class name within the same element, you just need to put a space, then type the second class name here. So in our case, the second class name would be bike-bg. So that's basically it. But you remember we have commented out the CSS. So let's turn on those code snippets. So from here, click on the 6 dots because we have added the CSS snippet on this main container. From under its advanced tab, let's open the custom CSS. And here I'm removing the comments from here by pressing command and / together. Now to save it, click on this green update button. Let's preview it. So initially we can see the black bike. The background is the black image. Now click on the second bike. You see the background image is also changing, and if I click on this third thumbnail, the background image is changing and all these contents are also changing together. And not only the text, if you want, you can change their styles. Like with the second bike, if I want to change this heading color to any other color, we can do that very easily. Just go inside Elementor, select the second heading, and here I just wanna make its color to black. Let's just update it, then preview it. So if I now click on this second thumbnail, here we go. So everything is working perfectly and it's looking super smooth. But here I have noticed one little tiny thing, that is at the bottom you see there is some white space. That's basically coming from the HTML widget we have taken. So go back inside Elementor. Let's scroll down. Here you see we have taken the HTML widget within the container. So let's select the container. Elementor adds some padding with each of the containers, so we need to remove that padding. Select the container, go under its advanced tab and make the padding to 0 pixel. Now if I update it and preview the page, now we can no longer see the space at the bottom. Cool! I hope you have learned something new today. If you like it, please give this video a big thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also press on that notification bell icon to get notified before anyone whenever I will upload a new video on this YouTube channel. And if you want me to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact me through my website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. I will try my best to help you personally. Once again, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.